We'll be taking the Richards, a Cal Poly boat, out to Coralina Cove to observe ecological patterns that exist there. We'll be following transects laid horizontally along the seafloor, marking all urchins and sea stars that are within a hand length of the transects. We'll need 3 samples from each habitat so that we can find the average number of organisms when we analyze our results.
Here, we can examine the organisms that appear within approximately a hand width of the transect tape. If the transect tape is the width of your pointer finger, try and estimate the distance from the tape using your hands as a scale, as shown here. In this example, you should count all the organisms circled in green. Here, we can count 7 urchins and 2 sea stars in this portion of the transect tape. Here's an example of what you'll actually be seeing. Estimating approximately a hand width, how many urchins and sea stars do you see? Look hard because these organisms may blend in with the background. We can count 1 sea star and 11 urchins in this frame. This data collected can go directly into the table on your worksheet. Look carefully because some urchins and sea stars are difficult to spot. After tallying the total organisms from all 3 transects in a habitat, find the average number of organisms in that habitat. Repeat the process for the other habitat, and once completed, compare your results and think about why any differences in the number of organisms between the rocky and sandy habitats may exist.
Okay, now that you have some knowledge about the survey collection methods, you'll make a hypothesis and prediction about how the different habitats affect organism populations in Coralina Cove. Once you've completed your hypothesis, we'll dive underwater again and collect some data.